in Karnataka? Is it language or livelihood? That's the choice that the auto drivers will have to make. On 18th of April, KPCC spokesperson N. Nataraja Gowda wrote to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah asking to make Kannada mandatory for all auto drivers and cab drivers. Gowda referred to the Maharashtra government's recent move, which has mandated proficiency in Marathi for auto and taxi drivers, but there has now been a huge backlash from the auto drivers' unions opposing the call by KPCC. Now, according to several members, this diktat of making Kannada proficiency mandatory is null and void in the times of the digital age, when everything can be handled on the phone. The auto drivers union feel, and I think rightly so, as has been proven in the recent past. I wish we have those visuals of lines and queues of autos which are waiting for fuel in Bengaluru, that there are larger problems facing auto rickshaw drivers today, such as acute shortage of fuel and the economic hardships faced by auto drivers.
No Hindi, no English.
No English, no Hindi, no ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆ, only ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮುಂಚೆಗಳು.
No Hindi, no English.
No English, no Hindi, no ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆ, only ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮುಂಚೆಗಳು.
Also, the KPCC's claim that the adherence to Kannada is to make conversation easy between the people who speak the mother tongue in the wake of many drivers who have come to work in Bengaluru and speak other languages also actually falls flat on its face, not according to me, according to the auto rickshaw drivers. So what is this rule, or rather wish, of making Kannada mandatory for auto drivers? Is it language or livelihood, like I asked right at the beginning of it? That queue I was talking about, those are the auto rickshaw drivers. They are waiting for fuel in times when fuel is completely scarce. So that's a larger issue. Or speaking in Kannada, what is more important? The stomach more than anything else. Let me now go to the guest. Satya Prakash ji is here, Vice Chairperson and Spokesperson for the KPCC, and D. Rudramurthy, who is the General Secretary for Auto Rickshaw Drivers Union, ARDU, who is joining us from Bengaluru. Mr. रुद्रमूर्ति जी, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? नमस्कार।
हाँ, सुन रहा हूँ। नमस्ते। नमस्ते।
हाँ, ये बताइए कि आप लोग इस पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि क्या है मैंडेटरी बना दिया कन्नड़ा को। अब केपीसीसी को जो चिट्ठी दी गई, उनसे कहा गया कि इससे क्या होता है, लैंग्वेज इजी हो जाता है। लाइक मैं अगर आऊँगी वो वाले, लेकिन जो वीडियो बजाया रुद्रमूर्ति जी, उसमें भी वो हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं एक लाइन। हाँ, कन्नड़ा, ओनली कन्नड़ा, कन्नड़ा बोलो, समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो बेंगलुरु, मेरे लिए बेंगलुरु में तमिल भी बोलते हैं, हिंदी बोलते हैं सर, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं सर, दक्खनी बोलते हैं सर, उर्दू बोलते हैं सर, इतना सुंदर तेलुगु बोलते हैं सर, कभी भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। आप लोग क्यों, रुद्रमूर्ति जी, आप प्रोटेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं, बताइए।
नहीं, प्रोटेस्ट नहीं, वो बहुत सारे ड्राइवर तमिल वाले आए तो तमिल में बात करते हैं, उर्दू वाले आए तो उर्दू एडजस्ट, बात नहीं आता भी एडजस्ट करके बात करते हैं। वो वायरल नहीं होता। तेलुगु वाला आया तो तेलुगु में बात करते हैं कुछ ड्राइवर लोग, वो सब भी वायरल नहीं होता। कौन सा भी कन्नड़ा बात करो ऐसा है बोले तो वो वायरल होता। बहुत ड्राइवर लोग पूरा भाषा आता है उनको, तमिल आता, तेलुगु आता, हिंदी आता, उर्दू में बताता है, पैसेंजर को बताता है।
रुद्रमूर्ति जी, कन्नड़ा को कंपलसरी बनाना चाहिए कि नहीं, क्योंकि आप लोग कह रहे हैं नहीं बनाइए।
नहीं, बेंगलुरु में ऐसा नहीं होता मैडम। हाँ। बेंगलुरु में आईटी हब है, बहुत सारे दूसरे राज्यों का सभी आदमी इधर है। हाँ। तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, पंजाबी सभी लोग इधर है। इसलिए कन्नड़ा अपना कन्नड़ा सीखना उतना ही, कन्नड़ा सीखना होना उतना ही, कन्नड़ा वाला ही चलाना का तो बहुत तकलीफ होता। इधर देखो, सभी मार्केट में काम करने वाले हिंदी वाले, होटल में काम करने वाले हिंदी वाले, ऑटो भी चला रहे हैं अभी हिंदी वाले। कन्नड़ा सीखना उतना ही, लोकल लैंग्वेज सीखे तो अच्छा रहता है उनको।
लोकल लैंग्वेज सब सीख ही लेते हैं। मैंने देखा है मुंबई में यूपी वाले मराठी बोलते हैं, और कितना
हाँ,
सुंदर।
हाँ,
बिहारी लोग बंगाली
हाँ,
सीख लेते हैं कलकत्ता में। मैंने सत्य प्रकाश डू कम इन हियर,
हाँ.
you heard Rudramurti ji speak. Satya Prakash, what is this thing about making speak Kannada? Beautiful language. We all agree. Compulsory. Why? You say to make conversation easy. Arey bhai, the thing is that if an auto rickshaw driver is someone who's a Kannadiga and I get in and I do not know Kannada, first of all we all have this, no? It's all digital. I will book it on this, I will pay it on this. What is this? Is it about language or we should be more bothered about livelihood, Satya?
See, livelihood also is important. No one is stopping any livelihood. Anyone across the country can come and live in this beautiful city. What my friend A. Nataraj Gowda has said is, I spoke to him before I came here. What he is saying is, today what is happening is, lot of Kannadigas who belong to this state, lot of auto rickshaw drivers, lot of taxi drivers are coming from outside. And when a Kannadiga tries to speak with him in Kannada, he speaks in Hindi. This is the problem. So what Mr. A. Nataraj Gowda has said is, he has asked the government to make sure that all those riding public vehicles, at least they are proficient in Kannada over a period of time, not immediately, over a period of time. So what Mr. Nataraj Gowda is saying is, today in Karnataka, suppose a rural folk guy comes into Bangalore and he starts saying, Nanige, ई एरिया के कर्ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು means if the driver says हिंदी में बात करो मेरे को कन्नड़ा नहीं आता है, this will be a shame for people of Karnataka and Kannadigas. That is exactly why Mr. Nataraj Gowda has said that let the auto drivers or taxi drivers learn Kannada also.
Right.
That doesn't mean someone from Hindi
He didn't
comes,
say learn
he should
also,
not
he
speak
said
Hindi.
compulsory, not learn also. It's not an option. It's not either or. No, on compulsory.
It is compulsory to learn Kannada according to him. That is what
So
he is
Satya
supposed to
Prakash,
learn.
why don't we do one thing? Satya Prakash, wait a minute. You run Punjabis, there are lots of eateries in Bangalore. It is so famous. You have Japanese food, Punjabi food, everything. The thing is, when they said, so Satya Prakash ji, what would you like to have? Would you like to have kali dal or butter chicken? How should they say it in Kannada? But they should say kali dal and butter chicken. I just don't understand this. You go to a restaurant, wait. You go to a fine dining in Bengaluru, they say, ma'am, what would you like to have, benne dosai or dosai? What are we talking about? This is business, I say. You are just hitting on business now by bringing this. Who's saying Kannada should not? But compulsorily to earn business, this is very Rudramurti ji. आपको नहीं लगता कि ये compulsory करने से बहुत ऑटो, इनको अगर प्रॉब्लम है कि दूसरे राज्यों से ऑटो रिक्शा आते हैं, लोग आते हैं, आप सोचिए आंध्र प्रदेश से आ रहा है, तमिलनाडु से आ रहा है, तो सरकार को बोलो नहीं आने का। लेकिन ये थोड़ी है कि वो लोग आएंगे और सीखेंगे। आईटी लोग को रोकते हैं लोग।
नहीं कैसे रोकता है मैडम? तभी बेंगलुरु अभी डेवलपमेंट हुआ था, आईटी लोग इधर डेवलप हुआ। अभी क्या हुआ था? अभी बात करने का नहीं ना, पैसेंजर के साथ ड्राइवर नहीं बात करता, खाली बुकिंग करता, आप में बुक करता, ऑटो बैठता, मैप दिखाता, उधर जाके छोड़ता, ऑनलाइन पे करके चले जाता हूँ ना। बात करने का ऐसा नहीं ना, पहले बात करना था, लेफ्ट जाओ राइट जाओ ऐसा जाओ करके। अभी वो तकलीफ क्या भी नहीं, बुकिंग करता पैसेंजर, वो तमिल रहते हिंदी रहते कौन सा भी रहते आता आराम से जा सकते हैं। उनको सर्विस चाहिए, हमको एक काम चाहिए, ऐसा रहता।
मूर्ति जी ये बताइए कि हम लोग शुरू से स्टोरीज कर रहे हैं कि सीएनजी का कितना प्रॉब्लम है, पेट्रोल का कितना प्रॉब्लम है। शेषाद्री नगरपुरम में हम लोगों ने दिखाया लाइन, ये देखिए लाइन पे लाइन ऑटो खड़ा है। सरकार को ये नहीं है कि पहले ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे वो लोग?
मैडम वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वाला बोल रहा है सेंट्रल से नहीं आ रहा कर को, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बोल रहा है सभी राज्यों को हम दे रहे हैं कर को। ये किसी का प्रॉब्लम हमको मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट बराबर नहीं कर रहा कि मालूम नहीं, सेंट्रल से नहीं आ रहा कि मालूम नहीं, वो कौन भी नहीं बता सकते। वो अधिकार लोग भी नहीं बता सकते, मंत्री भी नहीं बता आ रहा है कर को सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से बोलते हैं। इधर तो डिमांड है, फिर भी रेट भी ज्यादा होगा। 60 रुपए था, 60 रुपीज पर लीटर,
ठीक है।
अभी 90 से 150 तक लेता है।
जी, जी,
प्राइवेट
जी,
बैंक में 150 तक लेता है।
जी रुद्रमूर्ति जी, आपको क्या लगता है
हाँ,
कि अगर ये रूल
हाँ,
बन गया कि कंपलसरी है, क्योंकि महाराष्ट्र में तो बोल
हाँ,
रहे हैं, मैं आपको डरा नहीं
हाँ,
रही हूँ, महाराष्ट्र में बोल रहा है वो
हाँ, हाँ,
मिनिस्टर, तुम मराठी
हाँ।
नहीं सीखा तो तुम्हारा मैं लाइसेंस कैंसिल करूंगा।
नहीं मैडम, ऐसा नहीं होता।
आप लोग
वो
क्या करेंगे अगर इसको ये लोग कहेंगे कि
नहीं, 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 इधर क्या होता, हिंदी वाला कभी इधर आके गाड़ी चलाता, तमिल वाला कहीं को गाड़ी चलाता। इधर डिमांड है, अर्बन ट्रांसपोर्ट का डिमांड है। तुम्हें गाड़ी लेकर आए तो उसको ट्रिप मिलता है, बात करने का कैबिन है, बुकिंग से आता, लेके जाता, छोड़ता। डिमांड रहने से वो काम करने के लिए आता, इसीलिए लोकल लैंग्वेज सीखना पड़ता उतना ही।
10 मिनट
वो सब भी है, क्या प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
Prakash, let me just get you back on the screen. Satya Prakash, you know, the thing is that suppose you want drivers to learn Kannada so that they can have a conversation, with conversation, then how do you facilitate them? I mean, what, do they have to spend their own money to learn Kannada, take Kannada lessons? How does this pan out, Satya Prakash?
I couldn't hear you. Can you just tell me in short? I couldn't hear you at all.
Sure. I'm saying that if it is the rule is made, like in Maharashtra now, of course, they are saying from 1st May this is going to be come into force, and they are saying that if you don't learn Marathi, their individual licenses or permits can also be cancelled. So that's a serious affair there. I'm asking you as a representative of the Siddaramaiah government, sir, that if you want all auto drivers who have a license to drive around in, let's say, Bengaluru, then how do they learn the language, sir? Do they pay their own money to learn the language? How does it pan out, Satya Prakash ji? Because a lot of auto drivers will be very curious to know, kaise seekhenge?
See, they want proficiency in Kannada, that's all. Proficiency in Kannada means the government will come to a conclusion. What does it mean when it says proficiency in Kannada? The KPCC spokesperson here, Nataraj Gowda, has given a memorandum to the government. Now it is up to the government. Our transport minister also has said that there is nothing wrong in all the auto drivers and the car drivers knowing Kannada. That doesn't mean they should not know other languages. Whenever a Kannada speaking guy comes, help him by speaking Kannada. If the customer is speaking in Kannada and you speak in Marathi or Hindi, where does that poor guy goes is all what Mr. N. Nataraj Gowda is asking. And in Karnataka, if Kannada language gets such sort of a treatment, then our whole culture will go for a toss in another 20-30 years. And it is bound and duty of every Kannadiga to preserve his culture, his language, his ethos. And there is nothing wrong in it. And nowhere we are saying that, if a Hindi wala come, you talk in Kannada. If a Hindi wala come, you speak in Hindi. If you know Telugu, if a Telugu wala comes, you speak in Telugu. But when a Kannada wala comes, if you speak Telugu, if you speak Tamil, where does that poor guy go in Karnataka? Should he go to Tamil Nadu? Should he go to Bihar? Should he go to UP?
Aren't you overreacting and over dramatizing? I'm sorry to say, you've just made it out to be a big Kannada nationalistic story. No one is saying Kannada should not be spoken here, Satya Prakash. I am saying, wait. These days, even when you go to the airport, you are not talking at all. No one talks to you. There is DigiLocker, you go inside, show the ticket in. Even with Paytm, no more do I say, how much do I have to pay you? 40 rupees. Okay. No more change, kudi, this, what, nothing. Take a toffee, nothing. It's all become no language now. He's saying, Murthy Saab is saying, when you sit in an auto, you've already booked it, it's counting, your ride is, give the OTP to the driver, you give the OTP to the driver, he switches on the map. From, let's say, Basavangudi, you're going to, let us say, Koramangala. Ho gaya. Isme baatcheet kidhar hai, sir? You're not saying that, how are you, namaskara, sir, where are you going? What is all this? What is this conversation?
Are all the people using apps for their daily transport? No, not all of them are using. Second thing what I want to tell you is, see, this is what we are proposing. That once the government tells yes, then only it will come into force. And there is no hard and fast rule that no, someone should not learn Kannada. We are not asking him to read and write. We are asking him to speak. and there are so many apps that the government will say how proficient he has to be in Kannada. Now, if the Karnataka government is not going to take care of the interest of Karnataka people, do you mean to say Karnataka government should take care of the interest of Hindi-speaking people, Tamil-speaking people, Telugu-speaking people? In Karnataka, Kannada is now supreme, and any decision taken in the interest of Kannada, they all should welcome this as Kannadigas. And even my friend there, the secretary of the Auto Drivers Association, also is not telling he is against. Let them learn. We are not
again, sir. Why are you not understanding? Now you will make it out to be again. No one is against. He is also a Kannadiga, I'm sure. I also speak the I'm a Tamil. We are all South Indians here. We eat dosa, we eat sambar, we eat chutney, sir. What are you talking about? We are all in it together. But compulsory is a bit, then you should shut down. You should say no drivers who are not Kannadiga speaking should not come into Karnataka. Don't come. Do it. Mumbai is very, very notorious for it, sir. They did it.
Karnataka, and you are going to act against the interest
You are
of
acting
Kannada.
like the Shiva
If you are
Sena,
going
sir.
to come
You
for
are talking
Karnataka
like
for
the
your
Shiva
right to
Sena
vote,
now.
and
What
you
is
are
this?
going to-
Calling
that
you
are going
people
to
from
kill our
Uttar Pradesh,
language.
bhaiya. Calling people from Tamil Nadu, lungi, pungi and all that. You are behaving like the Shiva Sena. What is the difference then? Language has to be preserved. But not in this fashion. Rudramurthy ji, अगर इसको कंपलसरी किए तो आप लोग क्या स्टेप लेंगे बोलिए?
नहीं मैडम, वो देखो, वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का 21 में है, कहाँ से भी जाके जी सकते हैं। वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का अपोजिट करके
फंडामेंटल राइट बोले आप। हाँ
हाँ हाँ, वो क्या क्या होता है अभी देखो, बेंगलोर में ये पूरा कर्नाटका में होटल में काम करने वाले हिंदी वाले है, और मार्केट में काम करने वाले हिंदी वाले है,
मॉल
सभी
में
वो भाषा सीखते नहीं सीखते, सभी में है।
हाँ।
अभी ऑटो में आए तो क्या, ऑटो में बातचीत करने का क्या भी नहीं ना इसमें,
कुछ भी नहीं है।
बुक करता है ऑटो, बैठता है, उनके जगह में मैप से जाता है, उधर जाके पे करके चले जाते हैं।
लेकिन रुद्रमूर्ति जी,
हाँ,
सत्या प्रकाश बोल रहे हैं सब लोग तो बुकिंग नहीं करता है ना, बहुत लोग होता है वो ऑटो में बोलता है।
नहीं, अभी 90% लोग बुकिंग करते हैं, 10% भी नहीं रोड में जाके ऑटो पकड़ के चलते करते हैं। 90% लोग बुकिंग में आते हैं। अभी हमें चला रहे, मालूम है।
My friend is not aware. Okay, I will give you my own this thing. 3 years back, whenever I used to book an Ola or a Uber, 80% of the time, a Canadian used to come and pick me up. Right? These 1 year, 2 years, whenever I book either a Rapido or a Ola or a Uber, 60 to 70% time some Odia guy, some North Indian guy is coming. He doesn't know the location also. If by chance I say don't go like this, go like this, he say no sir, map dikha raha hai. But I know that what the map is showing is wrong because that will be a long distance. But still he goes by that. And
Satya Prakash, I wish I have, you know, Satya Prakash, I wish I told today Sardarji is going viral in Kerala speaking Malayalam like a native. I live here, but I speak several languages. What is this? You are breaking India into pieces. He is from Odia. He doesn't know. I can show you a lot of Sardarjis in Chennai who will fight with you in Tamil and show you locations. India is about us. India is not just about one language. And please, now you are getting to be, you are very, very narrow-minded in this. Arey, who are you to set the rules? Who are you to, neither are you an auto driver, nor are you, who are you to set the rules? It's about livelihood. ये पेट का सवाल है. ये पेट का सवाल है. रुद्रमूर्ति जी, आइए, बत बोलिए.
यस, ये तो जीने के लिए दूसरा गांव से, दूसरा स्टेट से आता है इधर, उतना ही काम मिलता है इधर, काम करने के लिए आते हैं। वो इधर सब भाषा सीखना है तो सीखना, तभी उतना ही मैंने कहा, वो नहीं चलाना इधर लोकल वाले होना का तो उतना लोग नहीं मिलता है इधर। बेंगलोर में इतना डिमांड है बहुत।
मैं आपकी बात समझ रही हूँ। ये पापी पेट का सवाल है, हम सबको रोटी चाहिए ना। वी वांट ऊटा, फूड. We can't be sitting doing politics and all these politicians sitting there and saying do this, do that. Now रुद्रमूर्ति जी, अच्छा अगर कन्नड़ा सीखना ही है तो ये गरीब ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर कैसे सीखेगा? लेसन लेगा क्या?
आपसे तक का उसका फोन में सीख सकते हैं। अभी आराम सभी मिल गया, अभी बुक क्या भी नहीं ले सकते, फोन में आता उसका भाषा से कन्नड़ा कैसा बात करना, उस भी फोन में सीखता मिलता है सभी.
All right, I think this debate is not
ठीक
going
सकते हैं,
anywhere.
हाँ.
It's about, I said, language or livelihood. It's not about, and Bengaluru was always a very accepting city. Ji, हाँ.
It is about both. Livelihood also is important. The language of the land also is important. Please understand. This is all I can say. Both are important.
Yeah, thank Satyaprakash ji, thank you so much, and also thank you very much Rudramurthy ji for joining us on this debate. Thank you indeed.